What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you guys how to do the sky falling effect here in Kinemaster. So for this project to work, what you need is to shut yourself in green screen, just pretend falling, and you also need some PNG clouds, and you need to have, maybe you can download some sky image that you can use for this. Okay, with that done, now let's get started. So start this project, not to click on this plus sign. Select the aspect ratio of your screen, which is 16:9. Now we need to add a background to this. Click on background. Now choose any background of your choice. Alright, now you need to extend this in the timeline. Alright, so play it for you to know the duration of the clip you want to use. Alright, this is too much. Okay, so the next thing to do now is to import the sky image. So to bring this up, just click on this layer, media. Now let me locate where I save it. Alright, this is it. So I will scale this up way too big now. Just drag it here. Now I will key this, I will keyframe this. So before I do that, I will just trim this off here. Alright, so I will just click on this key to add a keyframe. Now go to the end of the timeline. Now drag this up. Okay, so when you play this, you have something like this. Alright, now you need to import your green screen image you shot. So click the layer, media. You just locate where I shot my green screen, pretending falling. Alright, so I'll just crop this, cropping. I'll choose circle for this, then crop. Alright, so the next thing to do now is to key out the grain. Go to Chroma Key, enable it. Now you need to adjust this C key until you get something perfect. Alright, so now I will just animate this, pretend it falling. Now I will rotate this like so, scale it down a little. Now I'll just key this, click on the key, then drag this up like so. Now go to the end of the timeline. Now drag this downward like so. Okay, so after doing that, you have something like this. Alright, see that this is looking nice already. So for you to have something more better, you have to add some animation to this. Now click on the sky, go to all animation. Now add a float animation to this, floating. Okay, by doing this, we have some floating going on in this, and when you play this, this will look more better. Okay, now we need to add our cloud, PNG cloud we downloaded. So go to layer, media. Yes, I will just add this as layer. Okay, I will just drag this to the corner like so. Go to key, drag it, then drag this up. Alright, so when you play this, you have something like this. So it's way too fast. I will just adjust it and drag it up. Okay, that's looking good. So I will just click on the PNG cloud, go to alpha opacity, then I will drag it down. Okay, now I will just add the remaining clouds. I will scale it down a little, drag it down first. So I will just choose something like here, then drag it up. So the beginning of this shot, you can see it here, so I'll just drag it down so that it will not be visible to the frame. Okay, that is good. So when you play this, you have something like this. So it's way too fast in my opinion, so I'll just increase it and drag it up. Alright, I think this is good. And from the beginning, I will drag it out of the frame. So when I play this, I have something like this. Alright, this is looking nice. So I'll just add the last and the final clouds I'm using for this. Scale it up, reduce the alpha opacity, press the key, drag it down, then drag it up. So when I play this, now this is not really working well. Okay, now so when you play this, you have something like this. Alright, so the next thing to do now is to reduce this a lot. Alright, so I will just crop this. So instead of doing it manually, I will just use the effect I have. Just use some sides like so to make it look cinematic. Then I will just play it and see that it's really working nice. So I will reanimate this green screen footage. Okay, so this is nice and perfect. So I will just save this as full HD. Right, that is how to do the effect, and I hope you like and enjoy this, and it's very much helpful for you guys. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.